Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys what I made for an Easter swap. So we had to either buy a basket or make a basket. We had to make 2 memory dex cards and then just a whole bunch of like embellishments and goodies and things like that. So I'm going to show you guys what I have made and included. And I don't know, maybe it'll give you guys some ideas for when you guys are making your swap. Let's get right into this and I'll show you guys everything I created and what's in this basket of goodies, because it is stuffed, guys. I literally don't have room for anything else in this basket. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to take these out for the time being. These are from Dollar Tree and I cut them down so that they wouldn't stick out like so much from the basket, but just enough. So those are just a nice little decoration in there. I created this little suitcase embellishment thing inspired by Buzzin' with V, and she had said she got these nail boxes from a Dollar Tree and just took out the nails. I did the same thing and I filled it with pom-poms and buttons that I recently found, and I just decorated the outside to look like a little suitcase. And I like it because it's like a matchbox suitcase, so this just slides in and out, which is fantastic. You don't have to open the straps, which allows you to decorate the whole entire front, which is so nice. So I stitched around the front of this and the straps, and it looks so adorable, so stinking cute, guys. So there is that. Very, very cute. The next goodie I have in here is this. So this is like a loaded envelope kind of thing. It was my first time putting it together, so I did make a couple of mistakes, which I will let you guys know. But I do think it still turned out fairly cute. I'm really actually happy that I did this Easter swap. It always like challenges me to think of different things I can make for different seasons, and then I actually get to use up my paper that I otherwise probably would have made a couple of cards and called it done. So I like that I get to use up paper, like patterns and all that fun stuff. So this is like a loaded envelope die that I have, and this is where I actually messed up because both sides of this should have been like this instead of one like this, and you know, so it was my first time putting it together and I made a boo-boo, but it's okay. So in here I have the 2 memory dex cards that we were required to make. I did film a process video on this one, but look how cute it turned out. Didn't it turn out super cute, guys? I have like a grass trim on the bottom, this little frame, this butterfly rosette that I made. I think it turned out really adorable. And then the second one I have in my loaded envelope looks like this. This is a shaker with a background of a star, shaker star, and I just made it Easter themed. This is what the back looks like. This file is from Shara Crane. I also have 2 videos on this, one of me putting the star shaker together and one of me embellishing it and doing a process video on this. But it did turn out super cute, and I love the chunkiness on this memory dex card, and I hope the person receiving it loves it as well. Same thing here, I stitched around the base of the memory dex card and I stitched around the star. Same thing on the back, I stitched around the base and then again around the star. It looks super cute. Okay, so those are those goodies. Next, I found this cute little basket at Dollar Tree. Now it did have like some fake eggs in here, like these like styrofoam eggs, just smaller ones. I had cut that off and I cut off some of this like plastic thing that was holding the eggs in place, and I bought some chocolate eggs and I put them in a little baggie and I just stuffed them in here, kind of like a chocolate little egg basket. Then I have these 3 little embellishments. So I have this heart, and this one I put some of those, what are those called? Like that you put in flowers, the inside of flowers, but I made it like the 2 little pieces for the butterfly. Decorated this, and I used a die, a heart die, to cut out a rosette I had, and I decorated the outside with like a pearl trim. Here I put it on some acetate, and then I also created a little acetate thing for this, and I stitched around it closed. So whoever receives this is going to have to cut it open. Then I also made this thing, and this is a glitter rosette, and I had decorated it with some flowers, some rose gold eyelash trim, and then it says fall in love with as many things as possible. Really adorable as well, and same idea here. It is put onto some acetate, and then I took 2 pieces of acetate on the outside and I stitched them together so it has its own little home. Then I also made these bows, and I love making these bows. They're super glittery, chunky glitter, so fun. It's a ribbon, not a ribbon, I guess it's like a ribbon or like material that I have that I purchased from AliExpress and I recently restocked. So I have these colors again, so the pink, the yellow, a white, and a minty color, so I'm gifting some of those. In the basket I also have this 3D coffee cup. I think it turned out so cute. Again, I also have a tutorial on how I made this. It's a great way to, like, you know, include in a swap and just put some goodies in here for some happy mail. So I think it turned out really cute, and I used like this new holographic paper that I've been really enjoying. So when you open this up, I have some jelly beans in here that are Peep flavored. So there's like marshmallow, lemon, strawberry, I think it's lemon, strawberry, blueberry. So there's like little Peep jelly beans in here, and I thought that was a fun way to gift some candy, or you could just put embellishments in here, whatever you wish. Either way, you could stuff it with whatever you want in here, and I just think it's a nice way to stuff something in here. It's really super cute, and then they could just use it to, I don't know, decorate their craft room or craft space, or just use it to put their embellishments in, or just re-gift it. Then I also made this carrot. Now, yes, I know the little folding piece is on the outside. For some reason I couldn't get it to go on the inside, so I just stuck some Velcro on the outside, and it's fine. So there's this little carrot little box. This is just what it looks like. And then when you open it up, in here I have put some goodies. So I included some of that pink trim that I've been using throughout this whole project because I love it, and then also some Easter sequins. So that's just what's in this box right here. You can't fit too much because it won't go far down. Like, that's as far as I could go with the trim. So you can't put too much in here, but it works for those 2 things that I do have in there. Next I have some more goodies that I purchased, and I just created like a little box. So it says an Easter treat for some bunny sweet, and I just decorated that a little bit. And then on the inside here you have these lollipops, and again it's like a Matchbox style, so they're lollipop rings, a little chick, a carrot, a bunny, a little egg, and those are just some goodies inside of here. So I thought that was super cute and, you know, festive, because it's not just me being, hey, here's some candy, but, you know, I decorated the box and everything, and it turned out really good. Or actually made the box and stuff based on these sizes, and it turned out really cute. My table is getting full, guys. All right, so next up I have these butterfly rosettes. I also have a tutorial on how I made these, and these turned out so cute, and you guys also saw it on one of my memory decks cards recently, so I used one right there. But I just gifted some of these butterflies. They turned out so cute. Little butterfly rosettes that were so fun to make, super easy. And I have a couple of more, which is great, that I could just use up in my crafts for spring, summer, whatever. And they're just really cute. So I'm gifting some of those. Then you guys know I love making the 2-tone bows, and I have a tutorial on how to make a 2-tone bow. Normally I do it with gold, but like I said, I've been obsessed with this holographic paper lately. So I did the outside to be holographic, and then 3 like Easter patterns on, you know, like the top layers and stuff. And I think they turned out really cute, guys. Why, like, you could add this to so many different projects, and it doesn't even have to be Easter, especially this one and this one, and even this one. It could be for like a little baby or something. Whatever it is, I'm also gifting these. I love gifting bows. Bows always come in so handy. Then I also made some little egg shakers, so I have 2 packs of these. So I also have another video on how I made these little shakers. But aren't they so cute? They're little Easter eggs, and they just shake around, and they're so cute. You can add this to a card. You can make a card out of it. add it to like a card base, and there you go. You pretty much have a quick card because this could be like the main focus. You can add this to a memory dex card and then just layer on top of it. You could just decorate it and then gift it as an embellishment. There's so many different uses for these, and I just love how they turned out, again with the holographic paper right here, because I'm obsessed. I love it, guys. So I'm gifting a couple of these egg shakers. Okay, next up I have these Fringe Eggs. I have another tutorial on these. I feel like I have a tutorial on everything, which is also another reason why I love doing these like swaps that are new to me, because I get to put out so much content for you. I get to create, I get to try new things. So it's been a lot of fun. So these are the little egg fringe eggs. I don't even know what to call them. But I gave her 2 of these. I have 1 more left, and I just created these in pink. You could create them in different colors. I like them to be different shades of like a color and different patterns and stuff, which is what I did here with the pink. You could do yellows, you could do greens, you could do oranges, teals, turquoises, whatever you have. But I just did 5 different like colors and patterns. So I think they turned out so cute, guys. And another way to add to a memory dex card, you could embellish these, you could add it to a card base, whatever it is. So fun. I also created these bunny rosettes, and look how cute they are. So I made little rosettes, and they have little ears and a booty and little feet and then a little tail. They're so cute, guys. So I created some of these. I also have a tutorial on this as well. So I'm going to have everything linked down below that I have a tutorial on, because I just think, you know, why not? Everyone likes to see tutorials and how things are made, not just project shares all the time. So I like being able to link you guys to how to make these things, since this is kind of like a project share right now, but I have tutorials also. So here are the little bunny rosettes. I think they turned out so cute. These are also one of like, I love all of these projects that I had made. Like, I don't even know how to choose a favorite. Everything I created I'm so proud of and so happy with that I hope the person receiving it also loves all of these goodies. Then I created a couple or a few of these coffee cup embellishments. I love making these for all different kinds of occasions, and I was making a whole bunch, so I decided to make a few extra to put in the swap. These are just more spring themed rather than Easter themed, but I think they're really cute, so I'm gifting 3 of those. Then I have these bunny clothespins. These I bought from, I think it was Dollar Tree or Target, and I just repackaged the top and I added on my own bag topper and then just decorated it a little bit. So I'm gifting these to the person as well. Like, why not? Those are going to come in so cute and handy. Now, before I even decided I was going to make butterfly rosettes, I had already made these butterflies. And this is just 3 layers of butterflies, and I stitched down the middle to hold it together. And actually, when I created these and when I showed my boyfriend, he was like, "Oh, where did you buy those?" And I'm like, "What do you mean? I just made them." He's like, "You made those? It looks like you bought them. Like, they look so good." So yeah, this one I don't have a tutorial on, but all I did was just cut out 3 different sizes of butterflies with my silhouette machine. But if you have a die, you could do the same thing. I just don't really do butterfly dies because I don't normally craft with butterflies, even though I really like the butterfly rosettes. But butterflies to projects I don't normally add. I feel like it's just been like part of the spring and Easter theme for this swap, but normally no, I stay clear of butterflies for some reason. I don't know. I find them hard to add to projects, so I don't normally add them to projects because I don't normally make any. But I did make these for the swap, and I think they turned out really cute. I also found these peeps, and they're in a cotton candy flavor, so I was like, okay, I gotta get some of these. So here I just created this box, and I created a little opening here, and I framed it with like a little flower, so that way you could see that this is Peeps from the outside when you're looking at it. And yeah, so these are just cotton candy flavored Peeps, and I hope the person likes candy because I included some different candy goodies in here. And this box, like, I created from scratch, and you know, I'm not really good at making boxes. There's like a crease line here. You guys could see I didn't fold it right. I was kind of just eyeballing it. And then I decided I want to add like a piece here, but I don't know. I could have done a better job if I had a box thing or if I knew how to make boxes, but I tried my best, and I just wanted to package it up a little bit and make it fancier than just gifting something like this. So I think it does look cuter. So that's what that is. Then I found these stickers at, I believe these were Hobby Lobby, and I decided to repackage it, and I created this cute little bag topper here with the little bunny ears, and it says there's no bunny like you. And it just has like a whole bunch of little bunny stickers with little teeny pom-pom tails, and they're really cute and double layered, and there's gold and then different colors. So I just repackaged it, and I'm including this as a goodie as well. And then last but not least, I created these bag toppers for the person receiving this as well, like little Easter bag toppers that they could just use and pop onto a project. So I used 2 doilies. For this project. I had underneath it, I put just like a circle of like 110-pound cardstock just to make it sturdier, because I don't feel that doilies are super sturdy. So I just underneath that put 110-pound cardstock so that it is sturdy. And then I just layered stuff. I used some Nouveau drops for little accent pieces, and I do have a tutorial on this as well. And then to package them up, I just used a paper clip to like stick them on here. I didn't want to use glue dots or anything. I just thought paper clips will adhere best. So that's what I did, and that's what I created. So that is it, guys. That is everything I made for my Easter swap. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole entire video. Like, this was a lot of fun, and everything was a lot of fun to create. So I hope that you guys do enjoy this little video of what I'm including in the swap and stuff, because it was honestly so much fun. Now just to package everything back up of how it was, which is going to be a challenge because I don't know where anything was or how it goes. I have no idea, guys. So I am going to be just throwing stuff back in here somehow. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what I included in my Easter swap. And I hope you guys got some ideas for your projects and things like that. And that's going to be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye!